This is a quick video on how I cleaned a toilet. This toilet is in our small master bathroom and we basically never use it, so it's kind of built up some stains and rust and stuff in the bowl. The product I'm using here is this Powerhouse Pumice cleaning stone.
That's against pet policy.
Don't play with me, Pete! This is a Palisades Park Pet Patrol!
I picked this up off of Amazon for $8. It's pretty much just a handle attached to this block of porous stone-like material. As for the cleaning, I just took it and started rubbing it against the stains. I just jumped right into it. I didn't use any chemicals or anything like that to loosen it up beforehand. It just takes a little bit of persistence and some light pressure for some of the more stubborn spots. And what you've seen so far is pretty much all there is to it, so I'll go ahead and fast forward through this. The only section I ran into a little bit of trouble with was deeper down in the bowl, where the pumice didn't exactly fit to the curves of the toilet, so I couldn't clean that very well. Other than that though, I'm happy with how it turned out. This took me about 10 minutes to do, so it was a little bit of work. But considering I hadn't cleaned this toilet in years and we let it get in such bad condition, I'm kind of amazed that I got it cleaned at all, so pretty happy with it. The pumice stone does seem like it wears down a little bit from use. I've used it to clean 2 of our toilets so far, and you can see that it's a little bit smaller than the box it came in. Anyhow, that's pretty much all there is to this video. I hope this information was useful if you're fighting to get some stubborn stains out of a toilet. Hit the like button if this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.